So for the first project of my tech art class, I made a Toon shader in Unity 3D. It consisted of three parts: Toon shading, outline, and hatching. For the Toon shading, I simply used the half-Lambert lighting model created by Valve because I didn't want it to look realistic, I just wanted it to look interesting. So the original Lambert lighting model uses a max function which clamps the dot product to 0,1, while half-Lambert divides it in half and then add 0.5 back to it. This makes almost no difference for the front face of an object. But when it comes to the back face in an object, the original Lambert makes it completely dark, while the half-Lambert gives it a change from completely dark to white, so that we can see more details, like a fake global illumination. The dot product makes the colors smoothly interpolated along an object's face. To make it stylized, I used a ramp texture, and by sampling this ramp texture and then multiplying the sampled value with the smooth color, I could make colors constant in different tones of the ramp texture. The outline was even easier. What I did is simply using two render passes. In the first render pass, I only rendered the back face of the gladiator with pure black color and then extended it a little bit along the normal direction. In the second pass, I only rendered the front face with the Toon color created earlier. Then put them together and we got the outline. So actually it's more like a silhouette. It's just that most of it is covered by the colors, so it looks like an outline. The hatching effect was based on the diffuse lighting we talked about earlier. After I had the diffuse factor from the half-Lambert lighting model, I scaled it up to 7 for different diffuse values. I used different hatching texture and different weights. Then using different weights to blend them together with the Toon color. So it would end up something like this.